Okay, I hope the wind isn't too much to hear what's going on here. We're coming into this turn to starboard. You'll see there is one dock sticking out on the right, and then you've got the big orange buoy on the left. If you are overtaking a crew here, you should set it up by moving to starboard. Crews being overtaken in this area must yield by moving to port. No matter what, you should never violate the safety of the center line of buoys. And as we get to this turn, you will see that there are some fairly large orange buoys marking that part of the course. The yellow buoy line kind of ends with this big orange buoy, and then we're taking the turn around to the right. So once you clear this dock that's right in front of us now, I advise you not to hit that because it is very solid and it isn't going to move. You can kind of go in pretty close to the shore, taking the turn to starboard. So the best line here again is not out near the buoys, it's kind of on the right-hand side because this is a turn to the right. As you come around this turn, you do want to mind that there are some few docks that stick out a little bit into the river here. Don't go so wild on going close to the shore that you bring those into play. They aren't very amenable to being run into. So this is a part of the course where the current really moves that buoy line around. So following the buoys closely is not necessarily the right thing to do. As we sit here, having negotiated the turn, you can see that there is an orange buoy well into the distance in front of us. And that's really the next turning station. So really following the middle of the river here is the right thing to do. You can go over to the buoy line. Again, it's just the separation. But the current kind of pulls that more over to port than you need to be. So your fastest course is probably to go straight for that orange buoy. It's essentially the middle of the river. And we'll go up there and show you why. Oops, we're in some wake now. Hang on.